Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing or adding the control center to the lock screen of Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. If the Settings app isn't on your home screen, you can get to it via the app drawer. In Settings, tap Notifications and Control Center. From the Control Center section, select Items shown on the lock screen after swiping down. You can now enable or disable the Control Center on lock screen here. Enable the toggle to turn it on or disable the toggle to turn it off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.